Hey, welcome to this Epic Media 7 video. It's been a while. We haven't made a video in weeks. Beige and the boys are back, and we're here to bring you the rules of shotgun. Woo! So you might be wondering, what is shotgun?
Hey there, guess what?
What?
Shotgun!
What? Ah! Don't shoot me! Don't kill me!
Not the gun, shotgun, the passenger seat. So the rules of shotgun, you and your buddies are going out to Wally World or Mickey D's to get something to eat, and there's about 4 of you or more than 2. Somebody wants to sit up front. How do you do that?
I want to sit up front. No, I'm sitting up front.
Oh no, I'm sitting up front.
You always get the front seat.
And? There's only one way I'll settle this. That's a fight to the death.
Round 1. Fight!
First one to say shotgun gets to sit up front. But YouTubers, with great power comes great responsibility. So here's the rules of shotgun. You cannot call shotgun while inside.
I call shotgun inside.
Idiot, you're not supposed to call shotgun from inside. What are you thinking?
Idiot.
You can only call shotgun if your foot is outside the door of the house and you can see the car with your own eyes.
Shotgun!
You cannot use a shotgun to claim shotgun. Got a gun! Shotgun! This brand new gun! Get out! Get out! I'm getting shotgun! Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's go to Mickey D's! Woo! But boy, if somebody's got a shotgun pointed to your face, is your life worth dying over that front seat? Heck yeah, it is. I don't want to sit in the back. Blow my brains out. So if you don't call shotgun first and your buddy does, guess what? You gotta sit in the back, sucker.
I got shotgun. Get in the back.
Here's my favorite rules of making sure that you always get the seat even when somebody calls a shotgun. A little history lesson for you.
Hey, I called shotgun.
Rosa Parks.
I get up front, Rosa Parks. I ain't sitting in the back.
Rosa
Get in the
Parks.
back. I'm black, Rosa Parks. I always get the front. And if there's not enough room in the car and you're wanting to go somewhere, don't worry, we got you covered. Just hitchhike. You will always guaranteed to get shotgun if you hitchhike. Hey boy, what you doing out here?
Oh, I just wanted to ride in the front.
Oh, you wanting to ride up in the front now? Well, shoot, boy. Go on in. Come on now, don't be shy. Jackpot. No!
Come here, boy.
Poor guy. But that's the rules of shotgun. So make sure you get your shotgun and you pony up. What? You said this was a toy!
Yeah, my toy.
What the? I ain't going to jail. Make sure y'all subscribe.
This is my promise to you.